Welcome to Benefits of Channel. Today we will learn about the amazing benefits of moringa. You may have heard whispers of this miracle tree, often referred to as the tree of life or mother's best friend. An ancient gift from the foothills of the Himalayas, moringa has been cherished for thousands of years. For centuries, its leaves, pods, and seeds have been treasured for their incredible nutritional value and healing properties. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, moringa is a true nutritional powerhouse. Cultures across the globe have turned to moringa to combat malnutrition and treat a wide range of ailments. From Africa to Asia, and even in the Americas, this plant has made a significant impact. Today, modern science is catching up to what traditional healers have known for generations. Researchers are delving into the plant's potential to address modern health challenges. Studies are revealing the remarkable health benefits packed into every part of this incredible plant. From its leaves to its seeds, every component offers unique advantages. From boosting energy levels to protecting against chronic diseases, moringa's benefits are vast and varied. Moringa is quickly earning its reputation as a true superfood, making its way into smoothies, salads, and even skincare products. Its versatility and potency are unmatched. What makes moringa so special? It's simple. This unassuming plant is bursting with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. We're talking vitamins A, C, and E, working together to bolster your immune system and shield your cells from damage. But that's not all. Moringa is a rich source of essential minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium, crucial for maintaining strong bones, healthy blood, and balanced electrolytes. And let's not forget the powerful antioxidants, fighting off those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on your health. Ready for the best part? Let's dive into the incredible health benefits of moringa that you simply can't ignore. This impressive nutrient profile translates to some serious health benefits. Moringa is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. Studies have shown that moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable ally in the fight against diabetes. Consistent consumption can lead to more stable glucose levels. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also provide relief from chronic conditions like arthritis. Imagine less pain and more mobility in your daily life. But wait, there's more. Moringa has been linked to improved heart health, thanks to its ability to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. A healthier heart means a longer, more active life. And if you're looking for a natural energy boost, look no further. Moringa's nutrients can help you feel more energetic throughout the day. Moringa's high iron content can combat fatigue and leave you feeling revitalized. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. Section 4. Easy ways to embrace the power of moringa. Now that you're ready to experience the magic of moringa for yourself, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. The good news is, it's easier than you think. Moringa powder, made from its dried leaves, is incredibly versatile. You can start your day by sprinkling it onto your yogurt or oatmeal for a nutritious breakfast bowl. This simple addition can give you a powerful boost of vitamins and minerals to kickstart your morning. If you're a fan of smoothies, blend moringa powder into your favorite recipes for a refreshing and healthy pick-me-up. The subtle, earthy flavor of moringa complements fruits and vegetables perfectly, making it an ideal ingredient for green smoothies. You can even add it to soups, stews, and sauces for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're cooking a hearty stew or a light soup, moringa powder can enhance the nutritional value of your meals effortlessly. Section 5. Moringa, your key to a healthier, happier you. So there you have it. Moringa, the mighty tree with the power to transform your health from the inside out. Packed with essential nutrients, this superfood offers a wealth of benefits, from boosting your energy levels to protecting against chronic diseases. Ready to unlock a healthier, happier you? Give Moringa a try and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.